But what if I told you that a sword belonging to Cleopatra was forged not in a regular smithy, but inside a secret furnace hidden within a pyramid? Sounds like something out of a movie, right? Well, let's dive into the legend of Cleopatra's royal sword. It's said that this wasn't just any blade. It was crafted using techniques lost to time, smelted in extreme heat generated by a mysterious power source deep within a pyramid. The sword was believed to be more than just a weapon. It was a symbol of her divine right to rule, connecting her to the gods themselves. While archaeologists haven't found this exact furnace, ancient texts are filled with tales of incredible technologies. Could this be one of them? A fusion of royal power, divine myth, and advanced craftsmanship, all embodied in a single legendary blade. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden histories.